Raise your hand if you spent way too long fixing names, phone numbers, or email addresses in Excel. Yep, me too. But here's the good news. Flash Fill can clean up the mess in a few clicks. Watch closely because I'm about to show you how to turn this sloppy data into a neat, usable spreadsheet without breaking a sweat. By the end of this video, you'll be cleaning up names, emails, and numbers faster than you ever thought possible. Here's the deal. Spreadsheets love to hand you busy work. Maybe you've got a list of names in one column and you need first names in another. Sure, you could use formulas or you could copy and paste like a data entry robot. But why do that when Flash Fill can read your mind? Well, almost. Let's see exactly how this works. I've got a list full of names. In the column next to it, I'll type in just the first name from the first row. If you want to use Flash Fill the long way, you can go to the Home tab, and in the Editing group, go to Fill and choose Flash Fill. Or you can head up to the Data tab, find the Data Tools group, and click on Flash Fill. But here's the thing, those are the slow ways. There's actually a much faster way. Just press Ctrl-E on your keyboard and boom, Flash Fill does its magic instantly. First names all separated. Done. If only Excel could do laundry as easily. But wait, Flash Fill isn't just good at splitting things, it can also combine them. Let's say I've got first names in one column, last names in another. I type the first full name the way I want it, hit Ctrl-E, and poof, Excel builds the whole list for me. It's like having your own personal assistant, except it doesn't ask for vacation days. If you're getting value from these tips, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Now, back to the tips. Flash Fill also shines when you've got messy data. Let's say you have phone numbers that look like this. Type the clean version once, hit Ctrl-E, and Excel says, I see the pattern, I got this. No formulas, no hassle, just clean data in seconds. Sometimes Excel gets it wrong. If Excel messes up, undo it and try typing in 2 or 3 examples. There, that's better. And remember, Flash Fill doesn't automatically update like formulas. Think of it as a one-time magic trick. Once you do it, it's done. Next, let's say we want to create email addresses for the employees at the company. The emails will be first initial, last name, @tomstoys.com. I typed the first 2 just to be safe. Hit Ctrl-E and voila, all the emails are automatically created like Excel read my mind. Messy capitalization? Flash Fill to the rescue. This sometimes happens when you're importing data from another program into Excel. Type the first one correctly, hit Ctrl-E, and suddenly all the names look polished. It's like hiring a proofreader, but free. And there you have it, Flash Fill, your fastest, quietest, most magical Excel assistant. Once you use it, you'll wonder how you ever survived without it. If this video saved your fingers, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss the next Excel shortcut that makes your workday smoother. And if you want to go full Excel wizard, check out my full click-by-click Excel course linked below. You're officially on the fast track to spend less time typing and more time looking smart at spreadsheets. See you next time.